Hi, this is Caroline. Today, I want to show you how to estimate mu1 minus mu2 using mixed pair experiment. Firstly, we are seeing the assumptions. The first assumption is the two samples are dependent. And the second assumption is xd equal to x1 minus x2. Here is a sample. It's normal distributed. We are always confused about how to distinguish the two concepts, dependent or independent. I will give you two examples to see how we do this in practice. The first one is two groups of the workers want to test the product of the new machine and the old machine. So this example is independent experiment because the two groups of the workers won't influence each other. However, we see the second example. The same workers want to test the product of the new machine and the old machine. All the products are from the same workers, so the two samples have something in common, and they are obviously dependent. Now, let's see the questions. This question is from your lecture. And the data is given here. Firstly, I want to copy this data and change a format. And I want to calculate the difference. I will go through this question using two methods. The method one is a traditional method. Basically, it's use this formula to calculate. So let's do it first. The difference mean is average here to here. And the standard deviation of the sample is, and the observations is 5. So the degree of freedom is 4. And the confidence interval is 95% here. So the confidence interval estimate is equal to the point estimate plus here. So the point estimate is 3.8. And we plus P and times standard deviation divided by square root of observation numbers. So the LCL is 3.8 minus, and the same method is to UCL. So we finish this part. And the second method is to consider this question to one sample t estimate. We will do this in a fancy way using our data analysis plus. Choose t estimate mean, click OK. And the input range is here. Because we include the label, so we click on the labels. The alpha is 0.05, no problem. Okay, here we go. We copy this sheet here. So you can see the answer is same. And we also make 4 decimal numbers. So this is my sharing for today. Hope you are confident with my experiment. See you next time.